Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to transfer the full photos library to a USB flash drive using a Mac computer the easy way 2024. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to a USB flash drive as well as photos within the Photos application on a Mac. Can I start the tutorial? Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go around to the dock. Go to Launchpad. Now go to the Photos application. Enter, open up the Photos application. Wait for that to load. Once that is loaded, as you can see on screen, I have 1039 photos as well as 14 videos. The idea would be to, let's just say, Command A, and then you can drag and drop this full library into the final destination folder. But as you can see, this could be an issue. The bigger the files, the greater size of the folder. You start dragging and dropping, your machine could crash. So there is a quicker way to transfer the full photo library, which I'm about to show you now. But first, if I were to, let's just say, minimize photos for the moment, now bring the USB flash drive into the frame. Let's now insert this into the Mac computer. Wait for that to show up on screen, and there it is, USB-1. We will open this up on screen and increase the size of the Finder window. Let's now open up a new Finder window. Let's now go within Pictures. As we can see, we have Photos Library dot Photos Library. If I were to, let's just say, click on this, that just opens up the Photos Library, which is something that we don't want. We can quit Photos. If we now right click, Show Package Contents, and then go to Originals, we have the full library in that folder that consists of subfolders. If I were to, let's just say, now click on 0, and there we have all the images from our Photos library at our fingertips within the folders. Let's go back 1, 2, let's click on Originals, right click, Get Information to confirm the size of that folder. 876.7 MB, that's fine. Right click, copy, and now move to the first Finder window. We can now paste item. This will take some time depending on the size of the folder itself. 2 minutes is the waiting time on screen. We will fast forward this, and therefore we don't have to wait for the copying of the full Photos library as part of this video. So as we can see, that did take some time, but we did fast forward, and therefore the full Photos library has now been transferred to the USB flash drive via Show Package Contents, and that's a quicker, faster and effective way to make a large transfer without having to drag and drop. We can now quit Photos library. Let's now quit USB-1. Let's now eject USB-1. Remove that from the computer. Now let's pretend that we are transferring the full Photos library to another machine, as we don't have access to iCloud as of yet. We are brand new users of the Mac, and therefore before progressing to the expert stage, we have to go through the basics of how to use a Mac computer. Insert that USB, wait for that to open up on screen, USB-1, increase the size of the USB Finder window, Originals, click on 1, and there we have images from the Photos library on USB, ready for transferring to the new Mac computer. So highlight USB-1, eject, remove from the Mac computer. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science videos from the start until now.